Sound and Pictures coverage of Cine Expo is sponsored by Able Cine.
I'm at the Rescue Tape booth at Cine Expo here with Casey, who's going to talk to us about what is Rescue Tape. Please tell us about it.
Thank you so much. Well, Rescue Tape, it's emergency repair tape. It was actually invented by the military, so it's amazing. It's made in the U.S. It's a military product. We actually have a contract with the military, so it's going to fix whatever's broken on set, I promise you. The best thing it's for really is for electrical wiring. That's what it was invented for, was electrical wiring on airplanes, called F4 tape. A little bit of history for you. So it comes in a roll like this. It's a 12 feet roll, but you have to stretch it. That's the trick, is the stretching it. I'm going to cut off a little sample for you.
Okay.
There's a backing on it. You peel off the backing, and then you stretch it. That's the trick. You got to stretch it. Just point your finger out like so.
Okay.
So it's not sticky, as you can see. It's not a sticky tape. It's a wrapping tape. You stretch it, and you wrap it, and it fuses to itself, only to itself.
How about that?
In about a minute, though, you have a permanent, airtight, waterproof seal. So you actually want to take it off. Yes. So I'm going to go ahead and just take it off here. It starts to fuse up really fast. So you can see it's starting to cut off for circulation, but there's no stickiness. There's no adhesive on it. Like electrical tape, it's going to have that stickiness. There's going to be adhesive. It's going to get gooey and gummy. Not with Rescue Tape. It's UL listed and insulates 8,000 volts per layer. So you can waterproof and seal any electrical wiring, so it's great for insulation, waterproofing. Nothing's getting in, nothing's getting out. So you can literally throw this in the pool, in the ocean. It's not going to damage your equipment. So it's great for electrical. You can do harnesses with it. You can do splicing with it. It's great for marking, insulating any wires on set. Shrink wrap, you can't go all the way up to the edge. With Rescue Tape, you can go all the way up to the edge. The clear is really great because you can see the connection underneath. You can see what's happening underneath. Prior to the Caribbean used it on their set. They left it in the ocean for 6 months underwater. It didn't damage their equipment. So it's impervious to oils, acids, diesels, fuels, salts. I call it amazing tape. It's amazing. It really does it all. So we have the electrical application here. It also is heat resistant, flame retardant, 500 degrees Fahrenheit. So literally you can wrap up like a busted radiator hose. If you have any electrical stuff that's around heat, it's not going to break down, it's not going to catch on fire. You wrap it up, it'll get you to where you need to go. If you have an emergency on the set and you have a busted hose or something like that, you can wrap it up, no problem. It's a military product, like I said, so this stuff really works.
Tested and approved.
Yes. PSI is 950 PSI, so withstands major pressure. So you got fuel lines, brake lines, hydraulics, air hoses, power steering. So just if you have an emergency leak, water hose, something like that, you can use it, no problem. It's really great for even home uses. It works on copper, plumbing, PVC piping, garden hoses, agriculture. So it's really versatile. But like I said, the most #1 use in the industry, the film industry, is the electrical application. It has a 10-year shelf life, so it's not going to go bad. So it's good for 10 years. So even if you don't use it right away, you're still good. It's even great for insulating your tools. You can wrap it up and insulate your tools. It has a great grip on it. We've got several different colors. We've got
I noticed an assortment of colors.
All the colors do the exact same thing. There's no difference in the colors. It's just really for marking. We also sell a gaffer pack. Right here, this is our gaffer colors for all your phasing needs. You can wrap up and insulate and mark your tools. And yeah, that's Rescue Tape.
So is this available now?
Yes, it is available now.
And people can find out more about these products at rescuetape.com.